Hi everyone, welcome back to Youhoo Reviews. I just wanted to do a quick review tonight on these Fat Daddios Pro Series baking pans. And I think it says non-galvanized aluminum, something like that. So it is like that scratchy kind of texture. I don't know how to describe it. But you still need to use baking spray. I will see that. It's not gonna necessarily release on its own. Um, and there it is. Maybe I said it wrong. That's the common kind of aluminum it is. I'm sorry. But yes. So as you can see, I think this is an 8-inch, a 6-inch, and then I went and got these. I think these are 4 inches. They're so cute. Yeah, these were $2.99 at Home Goods. The small ones. This was I got two of these. I think these were $3.99, and then this bottom one was $5.99. They do have one bigger size, and I think it was $7.99, which is I think the 10-inch. Yeah, but yeah, this works for me. If I need to do bigger ones, I just do multiple, and I do have another brand of an 8-inch, so that's why. And then 2 is good here, 3 is good here for me. So just get how many works for you. Some people like to just get one and bake several times. I like to just knock it out when possible. So, but I thought these were so cute. You see, this is like big as my hand. I just do the tall, skinny one, and it's a good little cake for like one person if you want to give a little gift. The 6 inch is for several people, and then the bigger one, is for an occasion if you do 3 layers of that. But what I can say is these tins work. They are going to last you. You can see a little bit of staining on mine from where the baking spray has baked on. But other than that, they're fairly clean. There's a few marks I probably could, no, I'm not going to scrub off. But, I mean, they're fairly still clean. They're not going to stain terribly. They're going to work. I think I've only tried them once with no baking spray, and I mean it will release, but in certain spots it won't. So therefore you can ruin your cake or whatever you're trying to bake. So that's why I always use baking spray, but I was curious. I was like, let me see if it actually, doesn't stick. It will stick in certain spots. So just use a little light baking spray. Sometimes I just use the parchment paper in the bottom just to be, safer than sorry. But they definitely work. They definitely durable. You can hear they're not cheesy. They're not like just regular tin or aluminum. They are going to work. They're going to last you too, because the oldest ones I have are these two. So that is probably why they're stained. Then I got this, and then I got the baby ones. I might have got these before those. I can't recall, but I know these two are my oldest ones. That's why there's not even any stickers left on those. In the beginning, I took them off, and then I was like, who cares? They're kind of nice stickers anyway. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys a quick review on the Fat Daddios pans. I'm in a baking group on Facebook, and somebody put today, they're like, what is the big deal about Fat Daddios pans? Like, why do people like Fat Daddios pans? So I was like, let me make a video because I'm a fan. And I'm not sure if you saw, but I got them from Home Goods. Home Goods, Marshalls. I don't think I've seen them at Ross before. I don't. But Ross carries things and then it's never there again. So check there. But yeah, definitely check them out if you're into baking like I am. I have a side baking business where I do orders and things. These pans are going to last you, and they're going to be affordable. They're not going to cost you an arm and a leg just to have a good, durable pan. So other than that, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down below. And you guys be sure and have a good evening. Bye.